Hi guys, it's Emily and welcome back for another video. Today it's time for another weekly setup video, and I haven't done one of these when I talk in a very long time now, so I felt like it was time to do a video when I talked in the background. As you can see, I started by cutting up a part of the left page so I will get like a bookmark so I can easily find the week I'm looking for in the future. I got this idea from Hayley Remdart on Instagram, so if you haven't seen her account, go check it out. It's really amazing. I love all of her posts and she has such great ideas. I took a lot of inspiration from her account for this setup. After that, I went ahead and wrote week 28 with one of my new Mindliners as the header for this weekly setup. And after that, I also draw a black box around it with my Tombow Dual black brush pen. And I filled the background in with black also, so it would look like really cool and effectful. I had to go over it a couple of times because my black pen isn't completely black. So in some spots it will look more light black or even gray in some lights. So I was sure to go over it a couple of times so it was black everywhere. When all of that was done, I started doing my weekly boxes, and for this I mostly used my new Zebra Sarasa Mindliner pens from the refreshed Mild set. So the boxes are 7 dots wide and then they are 13 dots high, I believe they were. So basically they are the perfect size for me right now in the summer when I don't have too much to do. However, going in for this weekly setup, I wanted to do something a little more cuter. So when I started using these Mindliner pens, I realized that they really weren't that cute. They were more vibrant and neon colored like. So this setup, it's a little edgy. It's more cool than the last weekly setup I did, and actually I really like how that turned out because it's fun to experiment and not do the same thing for each week the whole month. It's really fun when you go back and look in your bullet journal and you have done different style throughout the same theme. To draw the boxes, I used my Uniball Signo DX pen because it's a little thinner, so it doesn't look so much in your face. It's a little more discreet. And then I added with my Pentel Energel needle tip pen in the size 0.5 a drop shadow to the boxes, which will be the background for the title of the day. After I added dates to the boxes, I went ahead and wrote week 28 on my bookmark, and after that I felt like the right page was a little empty, so I wanted to add a quote. And I found this quote which I just felt was really fitting for the theme. So it basically just says keep your head up, and it's a really simple quote. It's really short but it's really meaningful, so I just wanted to have it in my bullet journal. When that was done, I felt like I wanted to experiment a little, so here you can see me drawing with my new Unipropos Windows highlighters on a piece of plastic. And what I'm going to do is that I'm going to turn it over and then smudge the highlighter over the page. And after that, I started to draw this pineapple, and I wanted it to look a little more realistic than other pineapples I had done in the past. So I added some lines to make it look a little more sketchy, and so it had a little more shadow and light to it. I really like the end result of this weekly setup. It's not something that I would usually do, so I'm really happy that I tried something new and went outside my box. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a thumb up and subscribe to my channel, and of course don't forget to turn on the notification bell, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!